Hola mis amigos, we're making a spicy, creamy Italian sausage soup. For this recipe, we will need 1 onion that has been diced or chopped, and I was asked recently what knives I like to use in the kitchen. I don't have a particular brand that I go to or anything like that, but I do like to try different knives from many different companies. And right now the knife that I am enjoying is the Japanese Nakano knife. This is the chef's knife, and it is made of a high carbon stainless steel, and the handle is made of olive wood. And I will have a link in the description box below if you're interested to check it out, and I will also have a nice discount code for you. But this is a really nice and grab and go knife, and yes, it is very sharp, and as you can see, it gets the job done. So we're going to get that all nice and chopped up, and then we will return. I have my Dutch oven on medium heat with a little bit of olive oil in it. You can use whatever your favorite soup pot is. And we are going to go ahead and get our onions nice and caramelized. And again, that was 1 onion that you have chopped up. We're just getting these until they are nice and fragrant. And then we're going to add our sausage, and then they will continue to cook along with our sausage. Next in the pot, I have added 2 pounds of Italian sausage. 1 pound is mild and 1 pound is spicy Italian. And we're just going to break this up and get this nice and brown. And then we'll see what the fat level is looking like when that's done, and we'll drain it off. Now that that is cooked and drained, we are going to add 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, 28 ounces of tomato puree, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Our seasonings, which are really simple, we have 1 tablespoon each of Italian seasoning and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper and black pepper, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to get all of that nice and added in. And then we are going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. And then we're just going to get this bubbling. I have it still on medium high. And once this is bubbling up, and of course well combined, we are going to drop this down to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes before we proceed. We are back after about 15 minutes of simmering, and now we are going to add 1/2 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and then 1.5 cups of heavy cream. So as you can see, this is definitely a keto, low carb, high fat meal, and you could easily add in something like zucchini, maybe butternut squash, if you find that this is not filling enough for you, but the possibilities are pretty endless. You can pretty much just stick to low carb and add whatever you like. But for me, this is wonderful enough. So we're just going to let this sit and heat through for about 5 additional minutes, and then we are good to go to serve this up. And then you can garnish it with some more Parmesan cheese, maybe some parsley and chives. Spicy, creamy Italian sausage soup. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.